Hi, it's Josie, and today I'd like to ask you a question. Do you ride with your handbrake on? I know I did for a long time, and even to this day I have to check myself to make sure I haven't fallen into bad habits. So what do I mean by got the handbrake on? It means that you're hanging onto your horse and you're keeping him with your hands in the tempo that you want him to go. That is incorrect. We keep our horse in the tempo we want him to go with our seat, our body. So I'm going to give you a little quick demo of that, because Rebel's a good one for me having to be aware that I don't have the handbrake on him. Let's go, Rebel. If you like these videos, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss when I put a new one out. And I'd love to hear from you in the comments. How many of you ride your horse with a handbrake on? There's no shame in it. I did it for a long time until somebody actually taught me and I went, oh, I think I do that. All right, let's show. Good. Riding with the handbrake on. Are you always just hanging on to your horse's mouth a little bit too much so that he doesn't go too fast? Quite often you won't realise you're doing it until, well, I know that I didn't, until someone showed me how to feel for it. So if I'm riding Rebel along like this, I've got a lovely soft connection in my hand. I can feel it. Am I riding him with the handbrake on? How do I know? I'll just get out of this corner. So my trot rhythm is 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. I've done a video on rising trot and how you should control the horse with it. So I'll link that up here. And then you can go and watch that at your leisure. But, so he should be listening to my seat. I've got the handbrake on now. I can actually feel it, because if I put my hands forward, can you see what happened to him? He's getting faster and faster. So there was no listening to my seat then. So now he's listening to my seat. How do I know? Well, I can't show you now. I'm going away from the camera, can I? Let's do it around here. Steady, steady, good boy. Good boy. Good boy. No. Yeah, no. Is that tractor scaring you, mate? Steady. It's the tractor over there. Welcome. Do you want to have a look? It's just a tractor. Good boy. It's just a tractor. Good boy. Okay, so how do I know that I don't have the handbrake on? When I'm trotting down alongside here, I can give my reins and my trot rhythm stays exactly the same. I try not to give it for too many strides, guys, because the horse may lose his balance, particularly if he's young and green. But if you just ride him quietly on a circle and you just give your reins and the rhythm stays what you're setting in your body, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So there, I'm not riding with my handbrake on. Good. Good. So now he's getting faster. Hope you could see that. So had I grabbed with my hand and held on then, I would have been having the handbrake on. What I actually did then was just used my body a little bit more to ask him to listen to my rhythm. Whoops, right diagonal, Jose. Good. So giving my reins and my horse stays on my seat, my rhythm, that's what I mean, he listens to my body. If he's going a little fast here because it's a bit spooked behind us, that's a good boy, good boy. Let's change the rein. So a little tip for those that stay to the end of this one, to make sure you've got your horse, can you change the tempo with your ride? I've gone faster, now I've gone slower, now I've gone faster, now I've gone slower. So Rebel is listening to my seat now, and I don't have my handbrake on. Hope that helps, and thanks for watching. See you later.